Hello and welcome to this presentation. Here, you get a brief overview of a rule created to notify the cloud administrator of a warning level condition that occurs in the Oracle Private Cloud appliance. This warning is reported through the Oracle Enterprise Manager Incident Management Framework. For an introduction to the Incident Management Framework, including how to create a rule to monitor the agent state on the Active Management node, see the presentation titled Introduction to Incident Rules and Creating a Rule for Agent States. The presentation titled Enabling the Cloud Administrator to Configure Additional Incident Notifications describes how to integrate SNMP traps for notification in the Incident Reporting Framework. This presentation provides a brief explanation and a demonstration that shows you how to create a rule set with a single rule to report the warning. By default, Oracle Enterprise Manager creates an incident for all critical and fatal events. In the demonstration, you see how to create a rule that sends an email in response to a warning level condition for the disk space usage in the Oracle VM server pool. In this way, you can set up notifications for other types of warning level events detected by Oracle Enterprise Manager. As the cloud administrator, the rule you create is a personal rule. Only the Oracle Enterprise Manager superuser, sysman, can enable the rule as an enterprise rule. Let's go through the process to create a rule to respond to a warning level event. In this session, I'm logged in as a cloud administrator. To access incident rules, navigate from the Setup menu through Incidents and click Incident Rules. The Incident Rule interface appears with a list of all enterprise rules. The two rule sets on the list here are provided out of the box. They are locked and cannot be changed. Also, by default, these rule sets are enterprise rule sets. Click on the View menu and then click on All My Rules. The rules here work only for the user logged into the session, and one rule set already exists. Click Create Rule Set. The interface to create a rule set appears. Enter a descriptive name. Here I enter OVM Server Used Space Rule Set. The rule set is enabled by default. Uncheck the box if the rule should be disabled for some time. The rule is owned by the user, Oracle Cloud Admin, and it is a personal notification. Provide a description if you desire. I leave this blank. Scroll to the Targets area of the interface and click the option All Targets that Rule Set Owner can view from Type. Click the Type input to display target type options. In the list of options, scroll to the option Oracle VM Server Pool and click the checkbox to select it. In the Rules area of the interface, click Create. When the dialog box appears, leave the first option, Incoming Events and Updates to Events, selected. Click Continue. The 4-step interface to create a new rule appears with the first step to select events. The type input shows Metric Alert, and below that, the option for specific events of type Metric Alert is selected. Keep these settings and click Add. In the Select Specific Metric Alert dialog box that appears, click the target type input and select Oracle VM Server Pool. To speed up search and selection of the metric, enter the words Used Space into the metric name input and click Search. In the results, scroll to locate the option for the OVM Server File Systems Scheduled metric group and select the metric for Used Space %. Click to select the option. Scroll to the bottom of the dialog box and click the severity input. Click Warning, then click OK. Click Next to finish with step 1 of this process. In the second step of the process, Add Actions, click Add. In the Add Conditional Actions interface, leave the option selected to always execute the actions. Click on Email under Send Notifications. This will send the notification to the email address set up for the Oracle Cloud Admin user. Click Continue. When the Add Actions interface returns, click Next. In the third step of the process, provide a name to replace the automatically generated name. I enter OVM Server Used Space Warning. For this demonstration, I leave the description blank and click Next. The fourth and final step of the process provides for a review of the new rule. When you are satisfied with the review, click Continue. The Create Rule Set interface returns. Scroll to Review if you choose, then click Save. The new rule set appears on the list of all my rules with an information message at the top. Dismiss the message by clicking the small X. Click the rule set entry on the list to see the rule that was created. In this presentation, we discussed the purpose of a warning rule and provided a demonstration of how to create the rule set that implements it. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.